Díocuid agus fáilte arás. In this video we're going to take 5 random words beginning with the letter A and explain what they mean from Irish to English and give a sample sentence or two to go along with it. So let's start with this word here, Eilacor. This means an undertaker. Eilacor. Tá sí ag an Eilacor. She's at the undertakers. The next word then is Áúil. This means lucky. Áúil. Ní raibh sé ag cur báistí, áúil go leor. It wasn't raining, fortunately, or luckily. Ní raibh sé ag cur báistí, áúil go leor. Another word for lucky is ábharach. Ábharach. Nach ábharach an mac é. Isn't he the lucky one? Nach ábharach an mac é. Next then we have the word áisiúil. This means convenient or useful. Áisiúil. Tá an tóstán áisiúil don airport. The hotel is convenient for the airport. Tá an tóstán áisiúil don airport. Our next word then is Onlin, which is the Irish word for sauce or perhaps dressing. Onlin. Ná cuir an imirce onlin orthu. Don't put too much sauce on them. Ná cuir an imirce onlin orthu. Onlin sounds similar to another word, onan. Onan is the Irish word for pineapple. So they are quite similar sounding, but obviously they're very different meanings. Onlin is sauce, onan is pineapple. And finally we have the Irish word for Australia, which is on Austral. And San Austral is in Australia. Is Ashtar fada é on Austral. It's a long way from Australia. Is Ashtar fada é on Austral. Cearcalór, inis tá mé críochnatha. Alright, now I'm finished. Tá mé críochnatha, now I'm finished. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe for more videos just like this. Slán go fóill, agus garbh maith agat.